Welcome to today's video. We're talking about coming up severe weather for today and freezing rain. We're going to be talking about some of the freezing rain in South Dakota, some of the freezing rain in Maine. We're going to be talking about a lot in this video and severe weather too for today. So, and some snow in some places. So let's get started. We got Friday, April 3rd at 8 a.m. We can see we got freezing rain in North South Dakota. We can see some rain in Ohio, potentially some scattered rain showers. Looks like some scattered rain showers in New York. We can have some freezing rain in Maine. Also, we can see on there. So yeah, guys, it looks like we get some snow up in Canada too. Some snow up in Minnesota. So yeah, guys, Friday at 11 a.m. we could have more freezing rain in South Dakota and even a little of Minnesota and snow in Nebraska and rain in Iowa too. We can see for Friday at 11 a.m. And we got some rain in New York, got some rain in Maine, got some rain in Kentucky, got some rain in Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas, scattered and maybe. Also for Friday, April 3rd at 11 a.m. we can see also. We got some snow in Idaho, Montana. We can see also on here, guys. So we got some rain in Washington State, maybe a little. Some snow in Montana, Wyoming. We can see also on here. We can see. And we got some rain in Florida too. We see potentially, yeah, guys. Friday at 2 p.m. we can see we got some rain in Iowa, some snow in Minnesota, some snow, freezing rain in South Dakota, freezing rain in Minnesota, some snow in North Dakota too. Snow in Montana, Wyoming. We can see also got some snow. We get some freezing rain in Maine. We get some snow in Canada. We get some freezing rain in Minnesota, South Dakota. Some rain in Nebraska. Some rain in Iowa. Rain in Kansas. Rain in Missouri. Rain in Oklahoma, Arkansas, even Texas and Louisiana possible too, guys. So. Yeah, guys, we're going to be talking about freezing rain and severe weather today, so let's move on, guys. Friday at 5 p.m. we have a line of storms in Iowa, Kansas forming, Oklahoma, even Texas. We could have storms, too. Then it looks like in Ohio we could just maybe have some scattered rain showers in some places also. That usually means it's really light green. Then we could have some freezing rain up in Maine, some snow in North and South Dakota. We're going to be talking about, too, some snow in Montana and in Wyoming, too. We're going to be talking about also, guys. So, all right, Friday at 8 p.m. we can see we got a line of storms from Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana. We got some rain. We got some rain in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York. You can see Illinois. We can have some maybe potential storms also. You can see some snow in maybe even Colorado. No, not Colorado. A little Colorado in Wyoming. We can see. Then we got freezing rain pretty much just made it out of Maine. Then we got some rain in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Florida. You can see rain in Texas. We can see rain in Oklahoma, Arkansas. We can see also. Then we could see also, we're going to have more rain in some places too. Let's move on. Friday at 11 p.m. we got the storms in Illinois, Iowa, Missouri. We can see some freezing rain potentially in Wisconsin. We could maybe have some rain in Ohio, some rain in PA potentially we could have. And in New York we'd have some rain in Maine also. We can see in some storms in Texas and things in Louisiana. We can see too on here, guys. So, all right. Saturday at 2 a.m. we could have more freezing rain up in Wisconsin, Minnesota, some snow up in North Dakota, South Dakota. We can see some rain in Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, Oklahoma. We can see Arkansas, even Texas. We can see also on here, guys. Yeah. So we're going to be talking about more we're going to get more into the details with the snow and severe weather and ice. Yeah, then it looks like we could have another ice storm, guys, again, up there in Wisconsin. Today, tomorrow, Saturday at 5 a.m. we have some freezing rain. We got more rain in Illinois, Indiana, Michigan now, snow in North and South Dakota, Minnesota, too. Some snow in Maine too. Some rain in New England states, scattered. Some snow in Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas. We can see also on here. So yeah, guys. So then we got some freezing rain potentially in Michigan too. Also, we can see on here. So, yeah, guys, pretty interesting. Okay, Saturday by 8 a.m. It's mostly likely freezing rain in Wisconsin, Michigan, some snow in Minnesota, in North and South Dakota, and maybe some rain in Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, maybe some storms in there potentially too. So, like lighter storms, nothing really severe. Then rain in Michigan, Indiana, Illinois. Then let's talk about a severe weather outlook now. Alright, guys, let me just pull up. Alright, guys, we got a severe weather outlook for today. We got an enhanced versus severe weather in Iowa, Missouri, we can see Illinois, we can see also. We got a marginal versus severe weather in Ohio, PA, Illinois, Indiana, Arkansas, Texas, we can see also. Then we got a typical thunderstorm risk in Louisiana, Texas, Kansas, Nebraska, Minnesota, Wisconsin. We got a marginal versus severe weather in PA, and we got a typical thunderstorm risk in PA too, in South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida too. You can see also on here. Yeah, guys. Alright, let me just pull up our wind risk for today. We got a wind risk of 30% in parts of Florida. We can see a 30% wind risk in Iowa, Missouri, even Illinois too. Then we got a 15% wind risk in Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, Texas too. Then we got a wind risk of 5% in Ohio, PA, Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Texas, even Arkansas and Oklahoma too is included in there, and PA also. Alright, we got a tornado risk today. We got a significant wind risk of tornadoes in Iowa for 5% in Missouri, in Illinois, a significant wind risk of Indiana, Illinois, and even Arkansas and Oklahoma, not Oklahoma, Kansas. Then we got 2% tornado risk in Kansas, Texas, Arkansas. We can see also on here too, guys. So, yeah, guys, let's move on. Alright, we got our hail risk for today. We got a 15% hail risk for parts of Iowa, Missouri, Kansas. We can see Arkansas, maybe a little, Oklahoma, and even Texas too. Then we got a 5% hail risk for Ohio, PA, Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Kansas, Texas, Nebraska too. We can see also on here, guys. So, yeah, guys, it's pretty interesting stuff. So, let's talk about. We're gonna be talking about our freezing rain now, also, guys, and snow totals for the freezing rain and snow that's gonna be happening soon. So, let's get that up. We're gonna be talking about freezing rain totals. So, it's Friday at 3 a.m. We have only 0.5 inches of freezing rain, nothing really much yet. So, in 0.2 inches of freezing rain in some spots too, we can see also. So, yeah, guys, we're gonna look at the increase by Friday at 6 a.m. We can see in some spots we got 0.29 inches, 0.11 inches of freezing rain, 0.1 in parts of Maine also. Too, we can see also, and even Canada, we can have 0.3, 0.6 inches of freezing rain. Some spots 0.24. Just depends where you're at also. So, in 0.1 in parts of the New England states. Yeah, guys. Then we could see by 10 a.m. on Friday, our freezing rain just increases a lot. Got 0.3 inches of freezing rain in some parts of Maine, 0.29 inches, 0.27 inches in parts of Maine, 0.1 in parts of the New England states, 0.2 in parts of the New England states, maybe too. Then we got in parts of Canada, we can have half an inch of freezing rain too, 0.46 we can see also on here. So yeah, guys. Alright, guys, by Friday at 1 p.m. we can see got 0.3 inches of freezing rain, 0.34, 0.32 inches of freezing rain, 0.19 inches in the New England states. In some parts of Canada, we got 0.75 inches of freezing rain, guys. So anyone from that part of Canada watching, we're going to be getting a lot of a pretty good amount of freezing rain. It could cause some problems to the roads in Maine, too. You can have for Friday, April 3rd. Alright, by Friday, April 3rd at 3 p.m., we're going to be talking about 0.3 inches of freezing rain, 0.34, 0.32. You can see 0.19, some of the New England states maybe can have also on here. So, yeah, guys. Alright, so let's move on. Okay, but that's pretty much done. So, let's move on to our other area we're going to be talking about now. Alright, let's move on to the, trying to see where we're going to move on to. Hold on, guys. Just got to get it up. Okay, this is good. Alright, so we're going to be talking about more freezing rain over here in parts of Saturday at midnight. We can see we're going to be talking about more freezing rain in Wisconsin for Saturday now too. We can see also, guys, we are having 0.5 inches in parts of Wisconsin, maybe even 0.1, maybe at that point. Then we can see it increasing slowly. Saturday at 4 a.m. we could have 0.2 inches of freezing rain in some spots, 0.49 inches of freezing rain too. We could have 0.1 inches of freezing rain in Michigan Peninsula. We could have in 0.4 maybe in Minnesota. This could cause some problems to the roads, hard to drive also, and it could cause other problems too, guys. Yeah, look how much freezing rain we're going to get here, guys. For Saturday at 7 a.m. we could have 0.7 inches of freezing rain in Wisconsin, 0.6, 0.5 inches maybe, even 0.7 in parts of Michigan Peninsula. We could have 0.2 in Michigan too. We could have also on here. So yeah, guys. Alright, guys, yeah, this is our freezing rain totals. We could have almost an inch of freezing rain. Ice in some spots, like 0.8 inches. This could cause a lot of problems to the roads, guys. Like even upper Michigan, we could have 0.4 inches of freezing rain possible, guys, also on here. So, yeah, guys, just keep watching out here to see what happens on here. Yeah, because this could cause some problems, guys. A lot of problems to the roads. Like, you don't want to be driving in this. Alright, there's something else we got to move on to now. Oh, we got more freezing rain over here we could talk about, too. We could have 0.3 inches maybe in parts of South Dakota. We could have 0.4 maybe inches of freezing rain. We got a lot of freezing rain we're talking about on ice. Here we can see also. So we're going to be talking about some snow now also. Guys, just give me a second and we'll pull it up. Alright, we're going to be talking about some snow now. So this is Saturday, April 4th at 2 a.m. In 24 hours from Friday at 2 a.m. to Saturday at 2 a.m. we get up to 10 inches in some parts of the North and South Dakota area potentially. Then we could have several inches in parts of South Dakota, 5 inches. Even Wyoming, we could have like several inches in some spots, guys. We could see on the left there. Even Montana, we could have a couple inches of snow. North Dakota, we could have a few inches of snow. South Dakota, we could have 5 up to 8 to 9 inches potentially in some spots, guys. Alright, so we can see our snow totals Saturday, April 4th at 12 p.m. We get several inches of snow in North Dakota that's fall from this also. A few inches in Minnesota, we can get up to 6 inches in parts of Minnesota. 5 inches in parts of South Dakota we could have for Saturday also. Additionally, we could have a few more inches of snow probably in some of these spots. Alright, guys, so then we can see for Saturday at 7 p.m. we can have up to like 10 inches in some parts of Minnesota we can see also, guys. So we're going to be looking at something else in a minute. We're going to look at our total snow totals for like the 48. Try to find like the, let's see, guys. For like the 2-day range and see how much snow there is. Alright, like we can see it's more like now it's like that. Alright, let's look at our 2-day range snow forecast. Let's do 3 days actually. So we can see this is how much snow we're going to get from like this whole thing. We can see it's going to happen. We got like the 10 inches in some spots, 8 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches. This varies where you're at pretty much. So some places you may only get, some parts of South Dakota you might only get an inch. Some parts of North Dakota you might get only half an inch, and the other part might get like 8 to 9 inches. And the other part of South Dakota might get like 8 to 9 inches too. So it depends. The other part of Minnesota could get up to 8, 9 inches, 10 inches too. This depends. And some other part of Minnesota you might get only like an inch or 2. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. You never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next one.